Right, next video. We're going to draw the base for the pencil box. So to do this, it's actually easier if we can view this upside down. So orbit, so we're viewing partly underneath here. And it's like everything else we've done before. We start by creating a sketch. So we're going to click the sketch button, select the sketch plane, and any one of these bottom edges will be okay because they're all flush with each other. So we'll just click this one, that'll do. I'm not going to change the view this time. I'm not going to view normal to the sketch plane. I'm going to keep the 3D view. And I'm now going to choose the rectangle. Now this rectangle needs to start in this outside bottom corner and end over here, so in the corner. So it's important you get those little corner markers before you click. So get the little corner marker, click, and now let's move this cursor all the way up to this opposite corner and click. We've created our rectangle. That's all we need to do here. So let's tick the sketch, and we're going to keep that view so we're looking partly underneath the object. And we're going to extrude. We're going to click the extrude button. What faces? So it's that new big rectangle, and it won't actually select the whole thing all at once. So if you look here, it's broken that new rectangle that I drew into two shapes. So we need to actually click both of them. Now we're not, yes, we are creating new, that's correct, but it's not going to be 25 millimeters thick. It needs to be 3 millimeters thick. Press enter, have a look at the preview. You can even orbit it and have a look. That looks correct. If it doesn't look correct, maybe what you've selected here is wrong. So you can deselect and try again. Anyway, that's it. We tick that. And we're going to rename. Well, there it is. Rename, and we're going to call it base. I've already got a grey colour, so I'm actually going to choose a new colour here. So I'm going to go edit appearance. A yellowy sort of colour will do. And tick. And there's our base. Our pencil box is looking good.